to introduce Vishal Sikka, who is our new board member for Technology and Innovation and is locally based in Palo Alto, and I'll hand it over to him for the intro.
Thanks, Jim. It's a pleasure for me to welcome Jim and Bill here and all of you. Really looking forward to a great session. So what do you think, Bill and Jim? We just get going with the question and answer.
You're on. As you wish, Vishal. Did you want this? No, I got it. We share. Yeah, why don't I start it off? So thanks a lot for joining. I just came in from Frankfurt. I always get inspired when I get here. The innovation that happens in the valley here is an important asset for us as well. And we have, as you can see, a lot of our innovation going on here, and we have just opened up the Innovation Center with our customers, a very important part of bringing our innovation capabilities much closer to our customers. So I'll just briefly talk a little bit about our innovation. It's obvious that we will, in this new partnership, significantly accelerate our innovation capability as a company. We have a pretty comprehensive strategy going forward. As you know, we are already the leaders in business applications for the on-premise world. And we have defined a product strategy going forward where we will make significant steps into the on-demand world as well. We believe in a hybrid approach where customers can choose on-premise and on-demand extensions. And we will, during this year, make some significant launches of products in the on-demand space. So that's the first new pillar of our product strategy. The second new pillar of our product strategy is what we call on-device. It is the opportunity to consume SAP software from any device and any experience that you want. This requires a pretty thorough architectural blueprint, which Vishal Sikka has been mastering over the last few years. And basically is based on the assumption that you extract the logic, the business logic in the application from the front-end logic. And with that, you get an opportunity to consume our applications from any device. And we will build our own experiences from these new devices, mobile devices, and any device. And we will allow partners to do the same, and with that, hopefully, grow an ecosystem that innovates experiences for the many people who will use our technology going forward. Obviously, the analytical tool sets that we bought with the acquisition of Business Objects is an important part of that user centricity in our DNA. And we will then add the mobile capabilities as well, and with this, reach many more people with our applications. So that's the second important new pillar of our strategy. And the third one is what we call orchestration. The importance of being able to orchestrate master data and business processes across a landscape of on-premise, on-device, and on-demand kind of software, and make sure that the end-to-end process still is intact and consistent. So we are investing in these areas and want to lead in orchestration in the areas of master data synchronization across multiple applications, SAP and non-SAP. Business process management, where you can pursue an end-to-end process across all of these different applications. And finally, lifecycle management, to get a unified lifecycle management across on-premise, on-demand, and on-device, so that we can get the lowest possible TCO to our customers. The way we'll accelerate our innovation power is by introducing what small companies do, but do in large scale. Small companies work in agile development methods where they iterate with their customers, and with that get very efficient in their process. And we want to be the combination of the power of an entrepreneur and the scale that we have as SAP. So we're introducing these methodologies across a large development organization, 12,000 people. And with that, we hope to show the best of two worlds, speed of innovation as an entrepreneur, and power when it comes to bringing those solutions to the market. So that is what my job is all about. Absolutely. Bill, over to you.
I would first like to say welcome, and I think in adding to Jim's remarks, I would simply say it's been a fun partnership. Jim and I go back now about 8 years, and we also served on the executive board of SAP together. And we have a very high trust relationship that's built on a super strong foundation. So the last 5 weeks have been great fun. We're focused on our customers. We have 95,000 of them, which is one of the really great assets of our company. And the many innovative things that Jim just talked about can be applied to those customers and many more. We have almost 50,000 people in the company that are fired up and ready to go, and so are we. A couple of weeks ago, we did the CeBIT Technology Conference together in Hanover, Germany. And CeBIT, as you may know, has about 350,000 IT professionals in attendance. And I think Chancellor Merkel had a lot to say, but certainly she challenged the audience there. And she basically said it's time to innovate, it's time to invest in capital expenses again that help you change the dynamics of your business, and you have to move beyond your borders and really think differently about this global economy. And in large measure, what our solutions do is help companies run better. And we do that in 25 distinctly different industries. We do that for small, medium, and large customers alike. And we take these innovations and the motivation and the passion of our people, and we apply it to making every customer a best-run business. That's what we're here to do. And I believe we're off to a very fast start. We haven't stopped. As you can see, we haven't slept either. But we're having fun, and it's really been thrilling. So we'll